Dungeness crab, fried rice. In this video, my fried rice might just be better than Uncle Nigel's. Come with me on this little vlog while I make fried rice. You guys really like the Pike Place Market trip, so I'm back at Pike Place Market. I'm gonna do crab fried rice again. What's up, dude?
What's up, how are you?
Good, how you doing?
Pretty awesome, chilling.
People like the fish from yesterday.
Nice.
So we're back for crab.
I got a nice crab for you.
You do?
I saved you the last fresh crab we had.
The last fresh crab? But you don't have crabs, right?
I'm not gonna say that. Crab.
Ooh, look at you.
Heart on there for you, man.
Oh, you put a little heart? What do you think? Should we do a fish breakdown video together? Let us know. They'll teach us how to break down a fish real fast. Let me know, do you guys like these videos at Pike Place Market? Do you want to see videos at other markets I go to? I don't know if you guys are fans of Harry Potter, but this new Harry Potter themed store opened in the market. It's got all kinds of knickknacks and things inside. Maybe some black garlic would be good in this fried rice. That looks good. Garlic, maybe some fiddleheads. Do fiddleheads and a black garlic to go with this crab fried rice. Thank you, thank you. I don't know if you guys have ever heard of fiddlehead ferns. I used to think they were kind of gross because they had like a slimy texture, but if you cook them right, they actually taste pretty good. They have a nice snap to it. And as you can tell, in Seattle, it's spring right now, so we're starting to get spring veg here. I used to think it was kind of douchey to be like, oh, I only cook with ingredients that are local and stuff, but it's actually true. Cooking with local ingredients is just so much better. Okay, right now where I'm at is my usual Wajimaya. Think of like a bougier H-Mart. If you don't know what H-Mart is, think of like a really bougie Asian supermarket. That's what this is. But yeah, anyways, this is where I do all of my shopping. They got the best eggs here, and that's what I'll be using for the fried rice. By the way, I don't know what it is they feed these chickens, but they have like the most orange yolk. These right here, and they're the only eggs that I use. Now, I think they should have old rice here. This is why I came here, because they always have old rice on deck. And if you already know fried rice, you gotta use old rice. You don't want to use like freshly cooked sticky ass rice because it's just gonna stick to your pan, it's gonna make a mess, and it's not gonna be as crispy. Also, look, check it out. I probably should have just bought my crabs here, but Ryan always has the hookup. So we've got some day old sushi rice. This is the perks of having an Asian market at your disposal. You have some day old rice here. Would it be weird to put sausage in this? I mean, typically if you go to like a crab boil, they put sausage in it, they put potatoes and all that stuff. So why don't we do some sausage in here? Maybe some hot links? Yo, check it out. Smoked spicy pork sausage. This will be dank. Okay. Kind of odd that I'm making fried rice today because I just remembered I had a dream I was making fried rice, so maybe it was kind of meant to be. You guys think I should probably try this fried chicken Pepsi with the fried rice? Why not, right? Fried chicken Pepsi, that's gotta go good with fried rice. Thank you. Have a nice day. The reason why I'm doing this video also is because my crab fried rice video really took off on YouTube Shorts a while back, so I'm gonna just recreate it in a long form version. Also, a lot of people were pressed that I was doing a wok on an induction burner, so. Okay, sorry, my mic stopped working and I didn't realize it. Let's go over how I made this crab fried rice. Now, this crab was already cooked off for me, so it makes my life easier. You wanna remove this top part. We crack the body right in half. Now, make sure not to throw away all that yellow stuff inside of the top. That is known as the crab butter. That is known as flavor. It's delicious. Some people might say it looks gross, but it's actually very delicious. I'll be utilizing it for the sauce. Now let's go over the sauce. The crab butter gets put into a bowl with the black garlic. Just a few cloves of that gets tossed in, lemon zest, as well as lemon juice, soy sauce, then mirin. Give it a little blitz until it's completely smooth. And this is gonna be the sauce for the fried rice. Taste it, make sure it's good, and then set this aside. Now I'm preparing the rest of the fillers for the fried rice. I'm gonna use scallion tops, just chop them up nice and fine. The scallion bottoms get chopped up separately since they'll go up separately. Then I rough chop the sausage. This is our filling for the fried rice. Now, this is the wok that I've cooked thousands of fried rice orders in at work. Get it ripping hot. Toss in a neutral oil. I used rice oil. Then the scallion bottoms and the sausage gets tossed in. Once those are cooked off a bit, then add in my day old rice. Give it a little mixy mix and then flatten it up with our wok ladle. Let it get some color and then give it a flip. Get some more color on the other side. Give give it a little mixy mix, add in our black garlic sauce. Keep mixing constantly. Once your rice gets enough color and it's seasoned to taste, add in the crab and the scallion tops. Once the fried rice is done to my liking, I put it in a little bowl to make it a nicer presentation. Flip it over, and this gives us a nice dome shape for our fried rice presentation. Then I coated it in chive powder, topped it with a fried egg, some QP mayo, a little bit more black pepper, and this is how I made crab fried rice. Let me know, would you try crab fried rice? See you next Tuesday.